Today, Engineer Dayahan Jr., Engineer Labagis, and Engineer Mangana, we are the group of Jasa. We will prepare a feasibility study entitled Proposed Design of Water Irrigation in Barangay Balogo, Buwak, Marinduque, prepared by Ms. Maria Princess Kathleen Jasa, Ms. Maria Jasa Osicos, Ms. Elaine Zolweta, and Mr. John Frederick Manuba. So this is our chapter 1 to 3.
Background of the study. Water is one of life's most basic requirements. It is very important for all living things for their survivals. For our feasibility study, we are planning to design a water irrigation that can help the residents of Barangay Balogo, especially the farmers. So there are some of the irrigation development concern and issues. First, irrigation system machine performance, especially in the uniformity of water application, is still low. Second, expensive construction, operation, and maintenance costs. So, hindi naman lahat ng kayang i-afford ipagawa. Minsan, kulang sa budget kaya hindi napapagawa ng maayos o hindi ito natatapos. In Barangay Balogo, Buwak, Marinduque has an unfinished water irrigation canal. The water irrigation is not helpful, especially for the farmers, because the water from the irrigation can't reach the farm. So the farm is being affected by the improper flow of water. Study area description. Napili namin ang Barangay Balogo, Buwak, Marinduque para sa aming study dahil sa nakita naming problema sa lugar na iyon. The residents of the Barangay Balogo, Buwak are being affected by the flow of irrigation, especially the farmers. Hindi nakakarating ang tubig sa farm dahil na rin sa hindi tapos ang pagkakagawa ng irrigation. Purpose of the study. Our general objective is ma-improve yung water flow ng irrigation by designing a new water irrigation system. So, to achieve our general objective, we prepare some specific objectives that we will apply. First, we will determine the flow of discharge ng irrigation para malaman kung kaya bang masuplayan ng source ng tubig yung palayan, and to determine kung yung flow ng tubig ay tuloy-tuloy. Second, mag-gather ng data tulad ng pag-interview at pagpunta sa National Irrigation Administration upang maging guide para sa proper construction ng irrigation. Third, makapag-provide ng alternative design of water irrigation. Since unfinished yung irrigation, magpo-provide kami ng alternative na design. Fourth, to estimate yung magagastos sa construction. So, after namin makapag-design, malalaman namin yung mga gagamitin at kung gaano kalaki ang magagastos sa pag-construct nito.
Significance of the study. Ang aming study ay mag-propose ng design ng water irrigation para sa Barangay Balogo, Buwak, Marinduque. So, this study will benefit the following entities. Una ay ang ating barangay. Makakatulong ang design nito sa pag-implement ng bagong construction of the said water irrigation. This will benefit them para ma-lessen ang complaints ng mga tao about sa flow ng water sa irrigation. Pangalawa ay sa mga residents ng Barangay Balogo. Magiging aware sila sa mga factors na nakakaapekto sa flow ng irrigation, since nakukunan nila ito ng tubig sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan tulad ng paglalaba at pag-igib ng tubig. Especially farmers, makakatulong ang construction of water irrigation canal para maging enough ang tubig na kailangan sa pagtatanim ng palay. Last, sa mga future researchers, magkakaroon sila ng mga better insights and knowledge. Pwede rin nila itong maging basis ng kanilang study kung balak nilang gumawa ng study na related sa irrigation canal. Scope and delimitation. Nakafocus ang study na ito sa bagong design na i-construct sa Barangay Balogo, Buwak, Marinduque. Ito ay para sa unfinished irrigation canal na maaaring ma-develop by reconstruction of new design. Ito ay para malaman kung ang construction ba ng water irrigation ay isa sa mga factor na nakakaapekto sa water flow ng irrigation o hindi. This study did not cover the construction of the irrigation canal itself. Related literature. Isa sa mga nakuha naming related literature is from Enrique Bonnet Hill, year 2018. He explained that for the development of water, flow of irrigation is for its right quantity. Also to have a successful construction for the safety of the infrastructure. Design and optimization of biogas energy system found out na ang irrigation is dapat free of mud. So we come up to the idea of constructing a new water irrigation canal. Next is for the implementation of design of the water irrigation canal. Based from World Bank, lowland rice fields are half irrigated, half rain-fed. Pero ang rain-fed rice cultivation ay hindi nito ka-level ang technical development ng isang irrigated rice growing. So it is very important to construct a water irrigation canal for the better productivity and technical development. Analysis of alternatives. First, rehabilitation of existing irrigation, tulad ng paglilinis nito at pagtanggal ng putik at lupa. Second, construction of new irrigation canal. Magko-construct ng bago since hindi tapos ang construction ng existing irrigation canal. Third, improvement of source of water. Pwedeng humanap ng bagong source ng tubig para maayos ang flow ng irrigation. Number 4, use of solar pump. Ito ay para dumiretso ang daloy ng tubig papunta sa palayan. And last is the continuation of the unfinished water irrigation canal.
Operational framework. For the input, we need the data of harvest to know the records of harvest of the farmers. We also need the existing plan of the water irrigation canal for our guide. Then, the history of the irrigation, the history of its construction, and who are behind the construction of the irrigation canal. Then last is the water irrigation dimensions as for our guide para sa pag-redesign ng water irrigation. For the method, we will conduct an interview and surveys to gather data. We will also compute the discharges through engineering approaches of solvents. This can help us get the dimensions of the water irrigation canal and computing using area velocity method. And last, for the output. By combining the input and methods, we can get the assessment of the flow of discharge. We can design a new water irrigation canal in Balogo, Buwak, Marinduque. Chapter 3, the methodology. Dito sa methodology ay madidiscuss ang methods and procedures na gagawin sa study. First is the research design. Descriptive type of research ang gagamitin sa study na ito. Magkakandak kami ng actual field evaluation and unstructured interviews para sa mga importanteng information na magagather namin. Madidescribe din ang recent condition ng irrigation sa barangay ng Balogo. Research methodology. This discusses the procedures that we will conduct. We will find the source of water kung saan nanggagaling ang supply ng tubig at kung enough ba ito para masupply ang rice fields. After that, we will compute the volume flow rate of water to know kung enough ba talaga ang tubig. Maghahanap ng mga possible factors na nakakaapekto sa flow ng tubig. At magtatanong sa National Irrigation Administration for some informations and to look for the existing plan ng present irrigation sa barangay. At panghuli, magtanong sa Department of Agriculture regarding sa data na kailangan about sa harvest of rice.
Data analysis procedure. For the data analysis procedure, we base our study upon fundamental hydrologic and hydraulic design concepts. To get the actual discharge, we will get the total area of the rice field in hectares and the water duty over 1,000. This will serve as Q1. For the slope, we will get the first and second elevation and the length, and we will use the formula slope is equal to elevation 1 minus elevation 2 over L. So after mo-compute ng slope, we will get the hydraulic radius para dun sa head loss using the formula R is equals to A over P. So after that, we will get the velocity of discharge. We can use the Manning's formula, which is V is equals to 1 over N times R raised to 2/3 times S raised to 1/2. Or also, we can use V is equals to D over T, which is D is the distance and the T is the time travel. Next, we will get the discharge capacity using the formula Q2 is equals to A times V, wherein the actual discharge must be greater than the discharge capacity. Project evaluation procedure. Yung findings and yung plano na gagawin namin ay i-evaluate ng National Irrigation Administration. This is important to know if the new design is appropriate. There are some evaluation criteria needed to evaluate the project. First is the residents and the participation of the farmers. This is important because they are the beneficiaries. Next is the irrigation canal design, function, and accessibility. This is for the success and improvement of the existing water irrigation. Last is the effectiveness and benefits of irrigation canal to know if the new irrigation canal will benefit the residents of Balogo-Buac. Gantt chart and project schedules and resources needed. Here is our Gantt chart. Before we start our study, we conduct a brainstorming and chose the best topic in the month of March and April. In the month of May, we looked for the related studies, conducted a preliminary survey, consultation, writing of methodology, and polishing chapter 1 to 3. The blue part are the activities that are not yet completed.